alụkwa ndụ na-ege ntị ekene m nwoke ekene nwaanyị wee sị ndụ mmiri ndụ atụ a sị na mmiri ata na mazụ anwụ na nke elu onye azụ ndị be anyị nna n'onye ụbọchị nke taa bụ Maazị Achebe Paul MAP Eziokwu bụ ndụ 1 na Biafra land and ozi ji maka ya wee n'ụbọchị nke taa ka dị ezigbo oke mkpa. Ọ wee ozi gbasara ndụ na ọnwụ bụrụzi ga-ebe ọ bụ na ya ịgbania ka izigharịa dị na-ekwu maka ịnanya efe ndele ebe na-efu na ndele ọhaneze ndị Igbo are trespassing or they are crossing their boundaries. Ụfọdụ n'ime gasị ka boundary nke ọhaneze ndị Igbo na cross na ka ngwa unu benu ụcha ntụ unu ọfụma na mkpụrụ ụbọchị ole ma ole gara aga n'izu ụka narana ka Ohanaeze youth president Okechukwu isi guzoro Chinedu Frank ekenekwa m gị. Okechukwu isi guzoro pụta sị that na ha nwa bụ ndị Ohanaeze si na ha chọrọ referendum na ihe ha chọ bụ restructure no restructure ka ha nwa chọ. Wee sị adịla m against the statement mana ndị against the period ha nwa pụtara imeke the statement and that them against of ha nwa ịwụsa aka wụsa ọkpa ka ozu nwụrụ anwụ. I'm against ha nwa made this statement in the favor of the people on the befasi ndị ụmụ ha si. Now Ohanaeze ndị Igbo achọrọ m ịjụ unu ajụjụ ole ma ole dị iche iche. Ohanaeze ndị Igbo kedu stand unu nwa mgbe Obasanjo chịrị ọchịchị chịcha wee hafee n'aka Yaradua? Kedu your own stand? Ke stand mgbe Jonathan nwụ ewe wele ọchịchị nye amine mgbe Yaradua nwụ ewe wele ọchịchị wee nye Yaradua nye Jonathan? Ke stand ndị Igbo mgbe Buhari ndị anapụ Jonathan ọchịchị after culture the steno? Ke stand unu mgbe Buhari siri unu na nyachicha na ọ bụ ndị Igbo ga-achị na ọ bụ ndị Igbo ka ọ ga-agatu ka ha chịa Nigeria ahụ unu na fight n'uso na one Nigeria? Maka na according to you people asị ihe unu kwu unu si na ozi rotation ka na-eme nọ ndị ugwu chia ndị Yoruba chia ndị Igbo achịa. Na Ohanaeze ndị Igbo ndị ugwu achigo mmadụ dịka Yaradua chi from ndị ugwu mana ọnwụ then ewolu Buhari replace ya. Buhari achịa complete 8 years. Obasanjo achigo complete 8 years. Now ọtọnụ ndị one ka ọ gatu ọnọbụla ọtọnụ ndị Igbo ka ọ gatu. Now kedu onye na-achịzi Nigeria? Onye Yoruba again and onye Yoruba chicha onye ugwu achịa. Ke position ndị Igbo nọ na the contraption unu na-akpọ Nigeria and kedu actions unu take goal to ensure that na ndị Igbo na onye Igbo chi Nigeria? N'ihu anya unu korokoro like this ka contest election obido ịbịa contest election na PDP. N'ihu anya unu ka nwiye nọ wee gbuo Peter Obi wee kpanye ife ọkpa Peter Obi nsi ọkụ na mamịrị ọkụ na arụ ọkụ wee pụọ Peter Obi n'ike. Nwike single-handedly kenye Peter Obi ọsọ na PDP. Gajụọ ese gajụọ ndị dịka Ekema afa ha Dele Momodu nọ na PDP. Ọ ga-akọwalụ gị ife a na-ekwu. Even na onwe gị gajụọ Atiku Abubakar ọ ga-akọwalụ gị ife a na-ekwu. Kedu ebe unu nọ mgbe ike ndị ote ji wee chụọ Peter Obi ukwu elu ana na PDP? Mkpata Peter Obi ji wee maba na party na-enwelo direction na-enwelo future, a mushroom party a na-akpọ Labour Party. Now, Capito Obi Bade, Ohanaeze ndị Igbo, ke the statement unu make maka Peter Obi and maka Igbo presidency, noble our turn. Kedu your stand na these places and kedu fight unu fight goal to ensure that somebody from Igbo banye na the ọchịchị. Now, Ohanaeze ndị Igbo, ana m ajụ unu. Kedu one thing unu megolu nji gosi that yes, your people are fighting for ndị Igbo. Now, n'ihu anyị unu ka the masses mpụta fully well vote Peter Obi. N'ihu anyị unu ka Sanwo-Olu and the Yoruba Tout and the MC Olumo njide property ndị Igbo n'anya iyi na Lagos. Ohanaeze ndị Igbo ke action unu take. Kedu mbụ unu gba? Because I can na bịa n'ozi nchọrọ izu unu ọnjụcha unu question nwetiwezie dị akwa oyibo nsugbe ọmụ aka na-akpọ MAP eziokwu bụ ndụ 1 na Biafra land. And we have crossed the Rubicon. Biafra restoration is non-negotiable. It's a sacrosanct. And the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu unconditional release is also inevitable and it's a sacrosanct. You must know this and know peace. Now, Ohanaeze ndị Igbo, kedu action unu take goal for all these things? There is no actions. Ohanaeze ndị Igbo, during the time of John Nyanwodo, when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was in Abia State, Afaru Ukwu to be precisely, the former President General of Ohanaeze ndị Igbo, in the person of John Nyanwodo, said to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, drop Biafra agitation that we are going to Abuja to get the restructure from Buhari government. That was more than 4 years ago. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu agreed with him and said, okay, let me sit back and go and bring that restructure and I will drop Biafra agitation with immediate alacrity. Now, till Buhari finish and till Nyanwodo Litwo, Nyanwodo have not taken a step, no make any move for Nigeria to be restructured. There is no person making any move for Nigeria to be restructured. Ohanaeze ndị Igbo, in 2014, under your own watch, under the President Goodluck Jonathan, a confab was made, which the whole high personality elderly statement and some of the government status gathered to decide what will happen to Nigeria. Ohanaeze ndị Igbo, have you people stood on your feet to say that that very 2014 confab must be implemented? What is holding that very confab not to be implemented? Ohanaeze ndị Igbo, what actions have you people taken? Can the actions unu take goal to make sure that now this confab will implement? Ohanaeze ndị Igbo, onala afiaru una say that nana akpali unu that we don't respect our elders, we don't respect the ones that senior us. But ask yourself, do you people have any atom of respect for yourselves? Do you people have any atom of shame for yourselves? When you people have lost the integrity, the respect, and the honor before other people's, before your children's, what do you expect apart from insult? Now, Ohanaeze ndị Igbo, you are saying that you don't need a referendum, that you need a restructure. What measure and actions have you people taken for the restructure to be conducted? Because I know that restructure is semi-referendum. When if the North can allow you to have the restructure, automatically the North will allow you to have a referendum. Now, let me send this message to every Ohanaeze ndị Igbo. Oda afiaru, ofiabaru. Send elu, obu ni nwe nwanne nwoke nọ n'Ohanaeze. Obuni when one name non Ohanaeze. Obuni well uncle, brother, sister, auntie, nephew, niece, anything at all, Emma, nona Ohanaeze ndị Igbo. Obulu na mma gị na nne gị na nna gị na nwa gị na anything gị nọ n'Ohanaeze ndị Igbo. Achọrọ m ka unu copy this place now. Send elu ha. Ka ha ncha niile malụ that na the gentleness of a lion is not a sign of weakness. And the gentleness of a lion is not the time that he saws a goat. I want you people to cut this place, what I'm about to say now, to send it to Ohanaeze ndị Igbo, because enough is enough. We have had enough of your insult and your nuisance, and we have come to say that we will put a stop to your illegal activities and your illegal representing of the non-interest of ndị Igbo. Now, Ohanaeze ndị Igbo, from now on, any of you, any person that call himself Ohanaeze ndị Igbo, be you the Ohanaeze leader, Ohanaeze president, Ohanaeze whatever you call yourself, we are sending you this message. We don't want to see any of your statements again regarding Biafra restoration and regarding referendum. From now henceforth, every Ohanaeze are hereby bound not to say anything regarding Biafra restoration and regarding referendum, because all of you has nothing to offer. You are not representing Biafran agitation. You are not representing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And if you people think that we are joking, if you people think that what we are doing is a umbo ololo buabo ololo okukumulo no mulasa mademelumon, if I maybe if the hours have come when isunu ganada ofo. Any person who follow on Ohanaeze ndị Igbo again, mputa we say that we don't need Biafra. Isionya hagada. Go and keep this video. Tell them that nisi gada, because your ordin kuna waters ni fine emena. Now our people are now is now a sacrificial lamb. If you want to go for a restructure, take IPOB out as a one Nigeria. Just be pursuing a restructure as a Nigerian. Don't go for a restructure as an what an Igbo people need. Ndi Igbo don't need restructure. And you people are no longer the voice of Ndi Igbo. Since the creation of Ohanaeze ndị Igbo, what have Ohanaeze ndị Igbo bring or brought to Ndi Igbo? What are the achievements of Ohanaeze ndị Igbo to the Igbo land? What have you said? This is what we want for our people, and you people bring it home. It took Nigeria government up to 20 years to just build second Niger bridge, and all of you are there. Look at the Bonfu, call himself Senator Ifeanyi. He is praising Tinubu that what Tinubu have done for Ndi Igbo is very much by appointing Dave Umahi as the Minister of Works. Why the Nigerian Constitution say that you must appoint a minister from every region? Mr. Ifeanyi did not say the since a Yoruba man is the president of Nigeria, and our Fulani man is the vice president, that the Senate president must be an Igbo man. You didn't see it. Ohanaeze, keep quiet. None of you ask what of the House of Representatives, that an Igbo man should be the Speaker of House of Reps. But there is no any Igbo man there. There is no Igbo man in the Chief of Staff. There is no Igbo man leading the DSS. There is no Igbo man leading police. There is no Igbo man leading any of the high rank of the security apparatus in Nigeria. And Ohanaeze ndị Igbo, all of you keep quiet as if nothing is happening. As if your statement can only come for say, oh, we don't need referendum, we want to restructure. What step have you people taken to have the restructure? Since the time of Nyanwodo, have you people pushed for restructure? The late Judge Obioza came, he did not push for restructure. Now, Anyanwu have come. What have he done for restructure? You can easily come out, make a slick statement, selling yourself one kobo. In a law where you want 1 naira before the Fulani, go and watch how Ariwa people perform. Ariwa people, they have created a lot of security apparatus, security personnel in the name of vigilante, and they use the Nigerian resources to fund it and use it to equip their people in case of necessity, if anything happens, so that their people will have something to protect their land. Ohanaeze and igbo, what is the name of the security you people have created and use the federal fund to fund it in Igbo? Look at Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, whom court have discharged and acquitted, and say nobody, no court in that contraption have the jurisdiction, have the power to try him for anything, yet he had been held captive. Ununina banketi. Ununine a kid was silent. You can come out to make a statement. You don't want a restructure. And that where the leadership, please, although Mazichina Sanworu, I must thank you for your last broadcast you made, because you pointed this out, and I really appreciate that. The hour have come where we will now follow this Ohanaeze Ndigbo bumper to bumper. The reason you cannot see the northern leaders misbehaving is because no not, and that is the what we will activate to Ohanaeze Ndigbo. By the time of issue Ohanaeze, like a fire for gather within 1 month, Hama make any nuisance, unguided, untrans. You are trying to use you are trying to favor the north. You are selling yourself kobo, disgracing yourself in order to please the Ariwas. Why the Ariwas can never step 1 inch down in order to make you happy? Why the Ariwas are wreaking havoc on your people? Look at Amatokun. Look at Oduduwa People's Congress. Look at Yoruba today. See how they are building their nations. Waiting, if anything happened, they will go their separate way. And meanwhile, they have already collected their own share from the national cake. Ohanaeze Ndigbo, what is the cake you people have collected from the national cake to bring to Ndigbo? Come to Anambra State. There is no any federal presence in Anambra State. Look at Enugu on the Express Road. It's nothing to write home about, and you are shamelessly, foolishly come out of your stupidity to make a statement, to utter utterance that you don't need referendum. What you need is a restructure. Why the Fulanis have rejected your restructure? What actions have you people taken to show that there's men among your people? What actions? How many of the political idiots that are in Igbo land have you people stood up to correct, to direct the person, to caution the person? Look at how Imo State are dying like chickens in the hands of Hope Uzodinma. What is your press release? You don't know how to make a statement. You don't know how to release a press release when it comes to the killing of Ndigbo. Look at Obi-Igbo massacre, where 99 people that was killed in Obi-Igbo was the Igbos. What did you people did? You went and be singing Wike Kaigeso shamelessly and foolishly. The same Wike stop your own son not to become president of the Federal Republic of Zoo called Nigeria. And you people have the guts, have the temerity to come out to say you are not, you don't want a referendum because of your corruptions. Let me tell you people, enough of your utterances, enough of your nuisance. We have no regard, no respect for you people any longer. And very soon, your heads will be going down one after the other. Go and write it somewhere. I am AP Ezokubundu 1 in Biafra land. Gemie. Onyedi kunubu. Who are you people? Esibune jebonye. Unanandi boy kahadialeba. IPOB is not coming to serve Fulani's interest. We are here to restore humanity, to give the life that our people deserve to them. Biafra is not negotiable. The earlier you people start talking about referendum is better for you people, because very soon, we will leave the Fulani and start chasing you people. By that time, you will go to Abuja to reside and start issuing your statement in Abuja, including your families. Including your families. How dare you people to make such an utterance? How dare you people? Who do you people work for? You are not interested about the well-being of your people. You are not interested about the betterment of Igbo land. What you are interested is how to please a Fulani man, how to make a Fulani man happy, how to take your people into slavery for Fulani man to enslave them. That is what you are all after. Go and check Shetima, the vice president of the Federal Republic of the Zoo today. He is the co-founder of the Boko Haram that is terrorizing Nigeria. Look at NDLA, the drug agency of Nigeria, recruiting underages from the north, and all of you kept quiet. All of you cease not to talk. You don't know how to make a press release. Underage to become a drug agent in Nigeria, and all of you see it and turn a blind eyes. What gives you the effrontery to say that you are making a statement on behalf of Ndibo? How many Igbo youths, how many street interviews have you conducted to know that your people need referendum or restructure? Are you not asking the people what they need? How dare you people? Why are you people so wicked and stupid at the same time? I thought there is an educated bingo among you, but I never knew that all of you are just buffoons. And you don't want us to talk about you people. How can we respect you people? Igana balu Fulani boy. Kashetima we fogi nanya ke we nye mushroom appointment, ke we nye contract. Not we nye Igbo ke lulu ha. And when a seaport na Igbo, Ohanaeze ndị Igbo, what have you people done? And when a working international airport in Igbo, what have you people done, Ohanaeze ndị Igbo? You people are trespassing. You are crossing your boundary, and we will position you people where you people belong. If you people don't retrace your steps, we are going to cut your legs off. The rate of sabotage you people are causing to Ndibo is enough. I am passing this message to all of you. We will come for your heads. I got there for issue. And when we do, nobody should question us. If you know anyone in Ohanaeze Ndibo, send this message. Tell him to step aside in Biafra restoration. Tell him he better shut up their mouth. They are not representing Ndibo. Come to Igbo land. There is no industry built by the federal government. There is no company built by the federal government. Come to Igbo land. There is no federal government presence. There is no sea. Not that we don't have seas for seaport to be built. There is no airport. Nothing you can write home about. And you people are gallivanting. Ohanaeze Ndibo, Ohanaeze Ndibo. Professor Iwanyang, I thought you are a professor. I thought you are educated. I thought you have traveled. I thought you have seen the way other countries, other tribes are trying to, what they are doing, how they protect their own people, how they put their own people first before any other persons. What are you people putting for us? No, if make a very stupid and useless comment. At least I thought by now I will be seeing federal presidency. How many Igbo was appointed in the Tinubu's government? How many? And what is their position? In Nigeria, the Nigerian constitution says that if a president come from the north and the vice president come from the west, automatically the Senate president will come from the east. Under Buhari, the president come from the north, the vice president come from the west, the Senate come from the north again, making it to sideline Ndi Igbo. Where is Ohanaeze Ndi Igbo? What was your stand? Why didn't you people rise up? Look at how they treated P2B as nobody in that contraption. In the court today are not talking about P2B. What did you people do? Now, a Yoruba man is the president. Another man is the vice president. And they bring a South person as the Senate president. What happened to the House of Speaker? Where is an Igbo man there? Where is the military chief of army staff? He's a Yoruba man. Custom boss. Is there an Igbo man? The answer is no. The chief of staff is a Yoruba man. Custom boss and the NDDC. They are all North and Yorubas. Then, Yoruba, who is a born criminal, I will expose him very soon. Although I have already downloaded that video, which I will analyze on a very good day. Option P. Greetings from here, David Chukwuemeka Kenekwamge. He's telling you, Dave Umahi have been appointed as a minister of works. Was Amechi not minister of works for 8 years? What did he do for his people? If anybody is telling you that he want to go and bring the share of Ndi Igbo, that is why he decamped to APC. Where was Ngige? Is Ngige not in APC? Is Hope Uzodimma not in APC? And Dubai is in APC. Where them? Okorocha is in APC. How many of your Igbo share did they bring to you? How many? You see the reason. Anyone you see today joining APC, why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still in DSS dungeon, that person is nothing but a saboteur. So Ohanaeze Ndi Igbo, retrace your step. Retrace your steps. Wopu na aka enwe n'ofe before waka mmadụ. Unu na-agafezi bandru unu. And anyị ga-agwa ọlụ unu. Nyaba abacha na ụgba ka unu ụta. Okay, water. On this note, kanga kusia here. Mana before then, agwagomi unu. Ohanaeze Ndi Igbo. From now henceforth, all of you have been bound not to speak for Biafrans. We don't need you to say anything about Biafra restoration. We don't want you to say anything about referendum. Focus on your one Nigeria. If you are making a statement, don't say Ndi Igbo, don't want. Say Nigeria to avoid your head being cut off. We will come for you, people, fully. On this note, I say, Mechuko Kikabiama, bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, blessed DOS, and bless IPOB family, and bless every media warrior. I remember my humble self, MAP, Ezioku Bondo, one in Biafra land. Biafrans, the time for us, to focus on that very Ohanaeze Ndi Igbo and bring their head down have come. The time for us to stop anything Ohanaeze Ndi Igbo and wipe them out has come. We must. It's a matter of must. Thank you all and God bless you all. Let me tell you, Biafrans, before I forget, let me use 1 minute to address one bingo, because I have one bingo. Let me tell you people all, a IPOB Biafrans don't have anything Biafran army. What we have is only vigilante. There is nothing like Biafran army. We are not ready for any war. When we are ready to declare Biafra, that is when we will now unveil our military. That is when we unveil our military. Anyone that is unveiling premature or kwashiorkor people, telling you that this is Biafran army, just disregard it. We have seen many of them. Barrister Onwuka unveiled his own. We saw all of them. Where are they today? Where is Barrister Onwuka military? Is nowhere to be found. We hear about Biafra National Guard led by Innocent Oji. Where are they? They are nowhere to be found. We hear about Biafra Nation League led by Prince Will. Where are they? They are nowhere to be found. We hear about Mazop military wing. Where are they? They are nowhere to be found. Now, if anyone tell you that is unveiling Biafran military or Biafran Liberation Army, just disregard it. Give them 3 months. You will not see anything again. All those things are just marketing. They want to make themselves popular. They want to market themselves. That's all I can tell you. The day IPOB will unveil Biafra military, that day you will hear the declaration of Biafra. That day you will hear that Biafra have been declared. And every borders, every places will be seized. Every military will mount everywhere. And would every Nigerian military will back out. That very day, you will see what we call a nation. So don't be moved. It can look like that shine, that has a value. You can look like an IPOB, but you are not an IPOB. You can go and look like ESN. You are not ESN. We know them. By their fruit, we shall know them. God bless you all. God bless Biafra. God bless MAP. Is Yokubundo one. Hachokisimu wa manisi mekwela wa. Hachokamu nwa mana mekwela ngu. Maka na ejimofo. You can call me anything, but you cannot call me your fogeli. Chai.